Perched at 7,000 feet above sea level in the mountains of northern Arizona is a city with a population of about 70,000. This stunningly beautiful place is called Flagstaff. On a cloudy summer's day, I find myself railfanning on the BNSF Seligman sub, which runs right through town at the historic Santa Fe Depot. First catch of the day is stack train BNSF 7477 West as it rolls quietly through town. The city of Flagstaff has an ordinance against train horns, so there's no Rule 14L through here, unfortunately. Keeping a watchful eye on everything that passes through the Flagstaff Depot are virtual Railfan's east and west facing cameras. Huh, I knew I felt like I was being watched. The wind is picking up, lightning is flashing, and thunder is rolling, as an eastbound stack train now comes into the circuit. Now, for some strange reason, Flagstaff is described as having a rather dry semi-continental climate. Well, that's not the case during monsoon season when we were there. Not long after the second train had passed, the clouds opened up, unleashing a mighty downpour. After the rain had lightened up slightly, another eastbound stack train rolls through the station. It would be our last train of the day, and it just goes to show you that no matter the weather, trains must keep rolling. of General Electric C-44-9Ws take up the rear of this stack train serving as DPUs. If you're ever rolling through northern Arizona along I-40, be sure to stop in Flagstaff. You won't regret it because there is some incredible rail fanning to be done. But just in case you were wondering what we drove through to get to Flagstaff, for now, I'm Train Trek Trout. I'll see you trackside. Thanks for watching.